slowly, not when you hold me.
Okay guys, so I'm working on installing the Bancroft Playhouse for my kids. As you can see, you go to structure manual. I've been going through the whole checklist of all the parts you need. So 1,000,000 pieces. See all the checks by it. I went through, sorted all my parts, made sure I had everything. It's about 3 or 4 pages full of stuff. So I got everything. You can see, you go to the box right here that came in. Focus. Here goes some of the parts, the roofs and stuff. Here goes some of the small little parts. There's everything. See, we got a lot of green stuff. We got the door over there. Got some of the stuff for the roof over here. Some more green parts that go to it. It's a little dark in here. I'm in my garage, so what I decided I'm gonna do, instead of putting on my grass, since my grass is wet, I'm gonna build it in the garage. Then I'm gonna build a platform, and then I'm gonna put it on top of the platform. So this is just the beginning stages, so you can see what all you got when it comes to assembly. And as I go along, I'm gonna make more video. So as you can see, I've been working. I got the side wall put together and the front wall put together. I got the roof all assembled. You can see the roof. It's nice size. Look like this is probably gonna be about a 4x4 house all together. But you can see it's standing up on its own. So we coming along. So hopefully, it's been about an hour and a half. So hopefully, I'm thinking it's gonna be about a 4-hour assembly, easily. So keep you updated. Alright, so we got 3 walls up. So it's coming along. It's actually pretty easy assembly once you start getting it together. So we got 1 more wall, and then we got to do all these little intricate pieces. That's a part of it. But you can see it's pretty much freestanding now. So after that, do all the little detailing. See how we got all this little extra wood over here. Maybe you can't because of the light. Let me see if I can turn. Whoops. There you go. See all these little extra pieces. 1, 2 here. We got that left. You got the doors and all this little green stuff over here. You can't see, it's wrapped up in paper. And then we gotta, put the shutters and stuff like that. So it's coming. As you can see, now I got the roof on. So it's really coming together. All 4 sides are on there. Let's get a little better look. As you can see, we got the roof. See, all 4 sides is connected. So now we just got those little pieces, all these little pieces together. We still got the green parts, the doors, and all that other stuff needs to be attached. But it's we got half a wall here on this side, which would be the right side if you're standing on the front. So it's coming. It's coming along. A couple hours in. It's a lot of work. All right. As you can see, we're getting further along in the process. We got the door on the front. See, that's working. Door working. Hinge. We got the shutters on the side. Got the shutters on the side. See those working? Those opening up. Got this little peak here. It's standing on its own. So all I gotta do now is add the windows and stuff like that. So we working. I think it's probably been a good 3 hours I've been working on this. It's a lot of little intricate parts, especially when you're getting the inside of it. Let me see, we're gonna go on the inside. See, you got a lot of little detail and stuff you gotta put together. A lot of little different things. Hopefully they can focus in good. But yeah, you gotta do a lot of little adding, a lot of little things you gotta add. But I'm working. I did take a little break. You probably can't see that. It ain't focused good enough or ain't enough light. But I took a little break. Had to eat me some breakfast. So about 3 hours in. So you can see that. See them shutters. So here we go. It's coming along. We still working. It's a lot of little pieces to it. Alright. Well, I keep updating you. So as you can see, I built a platform so I can put the house on. 2x4s and some 1x8s. I don't know, it's a lot of sun, so I don't know how well you can see that. And it's braced up underneath. Brace here. You can see where the nail's at. Braced here in the center. Extra beefed up in the center since the kids will be in the center. So a little platform, just something so they can stand down, so I ain't got to put the house directly in the grass. So all we got to do is put the house on it. So that's coming up next. So here's the finished product with the platform and the house. So check it out. So you see we got the platform that I built. It's like a 6x8, 2x4s, pressure treated 2x4s, and some 1x8s. So you got the house, got the doorbell. This actually works. The door, my kids, they've been playing. So you got the little flower pots on each side. To see my kids, they've been inside already. So here's the inside. As you can see, they done added a chandelier in here, and it actually works. You hit the button. Let's see. There you go. See the chandelier? It works. Got the back windows. Got a little window that open up on this side. Got the little ice cream parlor over here. Let's cut this light off. Let me see. The roof. Little chalkboard. See, they done added some stickers. They've been out here, got some little spinny thing right here, and they got another little wind chime up here. It spins. The ice cream parlor on the side. The back of it. The windows. Back of the roof. See the windows. They're in green. The little side vent at the top. So all together, be honest, it took me about 5 hours to build it. And but the platform, it only took me about 15 minutes to build the platform. But it took me 5 hours to build the house. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to get you a finished product with the camera focus.